Hello beautiful friends, welcome to Cassia Naturals. If you're new on my channel, so welcome to this video. I'm going to show you how to make this whole leaf aloe vera oil for massive hair growth. So if you're new on my channel, you can click on that red subscribe button and subscribe today. So aloe vera plant has been used for thousands of years ago, like as early as 750 BC. So you have to make sure that you pluck the old leaves of your aloe vera, the outer leaves actually of your aloe vera, and let the yellow latex drain away from the leaf. So actually we've added some water so that that aloe can be removed. As you can see, the water started changing to yellow. Yes, so make sure that once you are done, rinse your aloe vera twice, once more again, and then discard the water. So now that is the aloe, as you can see, very pronounced yellow color. So now our aloe vera, they are clean, as you can see. So we are going to cut off the sharp edges. You make sure that you use a sharp knife to remove the spiny ends. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can click on that red subscribe button and subscribe today. So on this channel, I upload videos every day. And to my 195 subscribers, I really appreciate you guys. And to my viewers, I really appreciate you guys for watching and subscribing. So actually, you know what? There are 450 species of aloe vera. It is a succulent plant that grows in hot and dry climates around the world. It is beneficial for many skin problems like wounds, acne, and burns. Aloe is also consumed as food and in drinks, and have benefits for inflammatory bowel disease, diabetes, hepatitis, and more. So, but there have been like a few scientific studies on its effects on hair. Research on its benefit in general has been mixed, but this might be because it has so many properties and active ingredients. So at this point, we are going to blend our aloe, and I'm going to add our 100 grams of oil. So I'm using a grapeseed oil and macadamia oil. I combine those oils because you wouldn't want to add water so that it can actually blend so well. So benefits for hair. Aloe vera oil strengthens the hair and has many active ingredients and minerals that can help strengthen your hair. It has fatty acids and amino acid, and it's rich in vitamins A, B12, C, and E. This play a part in healthy hair follicles, controls greasy hair. So aloe vera has enzymes that break down fats and your hair of any extra oil that is actually sebum. Aloe vera oil will also help itchy scalp, which is a seborrheic dermatitis. It's a common inflammatory skin condition that affects the scalp. It causes dandruff, red skin, and scaly patches. Research has significantly shown that aloe vera actually oil helps the scaliness and itchiness of the scalp. So aloe vera also protects from UV damage. Radiation that comes from the sun, UV exposure, can cause your hair to lose shine and color and make it rough and less elastic, leading to breakage. The amount of protection from UV light protection depends on the type of hair. The alanine, a compound in the aloe plant, is a primary factor in promoting hair growth. It's found in people with hair loss condition called alopecia. It can be used to improve hair healthy, less breakage, which contributes to hair growth. So at this point, our oil is ready. So as you can see, there is water, of course, because 99% of aloe is water. So now we are going to get our oil, because our oil has come on top and the water is on the bottom. So we just pour our oil gently, cautious, so that it doesn't mix with our water. So I'm going to use a spoon to scoop some of the oil which is still remaining actually in the beaker. You have to be very careful so that you don't mix it with water. So if you have ever made a whole leaf aloe vera oil, comment in the section below, friends. Or if you have ever made aloe vera oil at home and how you use it, you can actually comment in the section below. You know, I really love interacting. Yes, so make sure that you comment in the section below and give this video a like. Yes. So like I was so patient enough to get that oil, to scoop the oil. As you may be aware, patience is one of the fruit of the Holy Spirit, right? If you don't have it, you can actually ask liberally from God who gives. Yes. So you can actually use this oil to pre-shampoo. You can add it to your deep conditioner. You can actually use it, for hot oil treatment, sealing the moisture, a lot of uses, and the scalp, you know, treatment. So as you can see, our oil is ready. We've separated from the water. That is how it looks like. I'm so happy and I love that, beautiful color. So like whatever God made is so beautiful. So now I'm going to use it on my hair. So I'm going to use guava hairspray. Yes, so guava actually helps to promote growth. I'll link the video in the description box below. So I'm going to spray it on my twist. I'm in a challenge of twist protective hairstyle for 6 months, and I'm actually in the 2nd month. So I did wash my scalp yesterday. So that's the reason why, as you can see, like our twist looks so shrunken. Yes, and I had just twisted in sections after washing. So that is the reason why you are seeing the twists are looking like that. Yes, so now I'm spraying our guava leaf hairspray regularly throughout our hair strands, on the scalp, on our edges. It's going to promote hair growth. So like I had promised that in my 6 month challenge, I'll be trying out different kinds of treatments, and I'll be sharing. So I'm massaging it in, working throughout your hair strands, Then after that, you can go in with whatever sealant that you want, so that the moisture doesn't escape from your hair. So I'm going to use this, aloe vera whole leaf oil. It's just a sizable amount, like so, and then I'm going to spray it throughout my hair strands. Yes. So friends, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, click on that red subscribe button and subscribe today, because this helps us, I'm trying to grow out my channel. In as much as I love sharing, we want this channel to grow so that we can reach a bigger audience. Yes, so I'm getting some more and just rubbing it on our edges. I've been trying out growing my edges, and it's been 9 months. One day I'm going to give a review. Of course, I've been using aloe vera oil, rice water, onion juice, onion oil, yes, and the lighter oils which I make. Sometimes I even use stimulating herbal hair growth. Also, dear friends, I really appreciate you guys for watching this video. Comment in the section below if you are going to try out this oil. God bless you. See you in our next video.